Go to laravel 9. Now ensure that your version is actually changed to 9x, 9.x. Then click on installation. And on the installation, we are going to be installing Laravel with Blade. There's a component where there's a place where they said, and we are going to also be using Composer. Now, if you check here, you say Composer create project Laravel 9, then this is the code you use. And ensure that you have Composer already installed in your system. Then with this, you go to the place where you want to keep the Laravel project. For example, I want to take mine to program files, my document, let's just call it random project here. Laravel test. Then you can open window PowerShell and copy, paste. Okay. Let me call my project test app. Click enter. Take so currently it has been able to install it. Then for me to launch it of VS Code, I use the terminal code called code dot. Then this will be able to open it. All the okay, before you do this, first of all, you have to see the into the project folder, which is test app. Then you can now open it with code. So right now the code has been opened. Then you can open your now. There you go to take it to view. Then you click on this. Then you run your server with PHP Artisan server. PHP Artisan server. Then you click on it. I don't know what's going on. Okay, can you copy and paste on the browser? And yes, we are live. It's working. And that's it for how to start a Laravel project with Laravel 9. Please do well to like and subscribe. Thank you.